Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, disable location services and GPS. This stops apps from logging coordinates. Turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Trackers can piggyback on connections. Put the phone in airplane mode briefly to break live location pings. While you do this, check which apps recently accessed location, revoke those permissions. Once done, reboot the device to clear ephemeral network sessions. These steps cut the most common, immediate tracking vectors and buy you time to perform deeper checks. Next, perform a thorough app audit. Open permissions and inspect camera, microphone, location, and background data access. Remove permissions for apps that don't need them, or uninstall suspicious apps entirely. Malware often hides as utilities. Then check your VPN and proxy settings. Ensure connections go to providers you trust, and that no unknown profile is installed. Also review carrier account settings for call or data forwarding. Unauthorized routing can relay your location. Make sure to document changes as you go. Finish by updating the OS and all apps. Patches close tracking exploits. Reset network settings to clear malicious proxies. If suspicion remains, backup data and perform a factory reset to remove persistent malware. After reset, reinstall only essential, trusted apps and enable strong authentication. If tracking continues, contact your carrier and a security professional. Persistent location leaks may require SIM replacement or forensic analysis. One troubleshooting tip: if reset fails, test with a fresh SIM in a clean.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.